Let's get you more breaking news that's coming in. The US Secretary of Defense, Pete Hegseth, has spoken to Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and now details trickling in of the conversation between the two world leaders. We understand that the US Secretary of Defense has expressed his condolences for the loss of lives in the Pahalgam terror attack and importantly also expressed solidarity with India. Pete Hegseth had a conversation with Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, and also we understand that there was a very clear message that was sent across of solidarity. The defense minister, Rajnath Singh, told his US counterpart about Pakistan's history of supporting, funding, training terrorist organizations. And so clearly, Pakistan being exposed to a global platform as a rogue state. Now, the defense minister also said it's important for the world to come together, for the global community to explicitly and unequivocally condemn and call out such heinous acts of terror. To which you had the US Secretary of Defense, Pete Hegseth, reiterating full support of the US government in India's fight against terrorism. He said it very clearly, with mincing no words. He said US stands in solidarity with India and supports India's right to defend itself. Very important, that statement, because that means that America is putting its weight behind India, making it very clear who it really stands with in this fight against terror. World leaders, one after another, have been speaking out, expressing their solidarity with India. And we've seen multiple conversations with America. The defense minister spoken, external affairs minister has spoken too. Shivani Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Shivani, clear 100% backing from America for India in the fight against terror.
Akshita, this is a big diplomatic win of India, and especially in India's fight against terror. When United States is rendering full support to India, it says that it not only stands in solidarity with India, but it also supports India's power and India's right to defend itself. That means whatever India decides to counter terror state Pakistan, United States is with India, it's supporting India. And Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had this conversation with the US Secretary of Defense, and both of them had a long conversation in which not only the US Secretary of Defense condemned this attack, he also conveyed his sympathies for the families who've lost their people in this particular attack. He called this attack a very cowardly, a dastardly attack. He condemned this attack. And Rajnath Singh in this conversation, particularly Akshita, pointed out how Pakistan has been harboring terrorism. They've been training terrorists on their soil. They've been pushing terrorists in Indian boundaries. So this is a big diplomatic win when United States and all the leaders of the United States, Akshita, they are absolutely with India in this fight against terror, and they are not only with India, but they are sending out a very strong message to Pakistan and to the global community that India has its right to defend itself, and whatever India does,
very true,
India will be supported by United States. So this is a big statement that has come in after this conversation. That was a very important and a crucial one. Akshita.
Okay, big development this, and more support really for India from the global community. And the defense minister also in that conversation with Pete Hegseth, making it very clear that you cannot mince words. You must call out Pakistan for shielding and harboring terrorists. And it looks like US also has agreed, saying India has every right to defend itself. Thanks very much, Shivani, for joining us with those details.